Hey, why is everything so boring? Where is the Nana and Vivienne Westwood collection? I have browsed through all your thrift store racks. And where is it? You call this boring? Honestly, she's right. You need like marketing and this. What? Well, it's sold out. You are too broke to buy that collection. Wait, aren't you going to monetize raunchy angle pictures? Get a job, you jobless bum. I already told you I don't do angle pictures. Please respect my boundaries. Don't worry, we have Vivienne Westwood at home. Make it! I want profits! I lend you $5. Go! Ah, this is the good stuff. Just don't let it get wet, otherwise it become a modern art tragedy. Ladies and gentlemen, your Nana and Vivienne Westwood collab. Well, it's pretty unfortunate I could not buy the Nana and Vivienne Westwood collab. Those things dropped like 10 days ago and vanished immediately. But watch me attempt to style myself like the characters from Nana. Anyway, low budget Nana or dollar store Nana. Well, Nana if she had to shop at Aldi. Let me explain what Nana is about with spoilers. It's basically two girlies with violently different fashion sense accidentally become roommates in Tokyo. One is soft, clingy, romantic disaster who dressed like a strawberry shortcake angel, and then the other is a chain-smoking punk rock icon. I reread the entire manga because I need to make this content, and honestly, that was a terrible mental health decision. I do not recommend this unless you enjoy emotional damage, unresolved trauma, and screaming at fictional men. First up, yeah, I am dressing Hachi code. Look at this detachable collar I made like 5 years ago. It has strawberries. This manga is obsessed with strawberry for no reason. Well, Hachi also likes to wear headscarf like a cute babushka. Well, maybe not that type of headscarf. I don't know how to explain it, but you get the idea. I own way too many pieces that fit her agenda. I actually dress like Hachi before I even know this manga exists, which is deeply concerning. I took a personality test and it says I am your emotional support animal. I want a refund. Frog, that's not how it works. No, because why am I here watching you cosplay emotional instability from a manga? Go drink water. No, don't drink water. Just buy my energy drinks. I'll give you 50% interest. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Anyway, I have this vintage pink set, very Hachi coded. I read somewhere that Hachi style is inspired by 60s or 70s, so this works suspiciously well. And I have this pink vest with strawberry embroidery I added myself. Perfect match. Next, Nana Osaki, my queen, my icon.
Boy, I've been wondering, where did you get your guitar from? I mean, you
couldn't afford it just working part-time jobs.
And it's not like you're good enough to justify playing it.
I borrowed it from Ren.
And what about all your clothes? Last time I checked, they were all gifts from Misato or Ren.
Yeah, he really roast her for being jobless. Financial instability was still around looking like with confidence. Yeah, relatable. To dress like her, you basically need dark smoky eyes, maybe dark red lipstick, a lot of jewelry. I don't own Vivienne Westwood jewelry, so this thrifted necklace will have to pretend. Also, Nana loves leather jackets. They are literally her personality trait. Oh, look at this red strip jacket. This is so Vivienne Westwood good. I bought it from Salvos for $16. 100% blue, but not the itchy kind. Miracle. I love and hate Nana Osaki at the same time. Wait, no. I actually hate everyone in this manga except one character I will repeat later. I don't have chokers. This will do. Nana and Ren love chokers, okay? This is boring. Need spice. We are recreating Nana concert look. Okay. Just tie a red shirt around your waist. Instant pound spice. I am tormenting Ducky for spamming me continuously. I am ready to be Nana, but without her singing voice. I'm a pianist actually. How come there was no pianist in Nana? Or maybe I just did not pay attention? Alright. Nana is not complete without the chance moving. I know Nana. Black tank top, yellow checker shirt, leather jacket. No bracelet. This tape will do. It's balloon shake tape. From this moment in the manga, everything falls apart after this moment. Major spoiler ahead. Nana, I am forgotten. Guess who I am? Yasu. Yes, the only character I did not emotionally fight. He is unfortunately the hottest male character in this manga. I love him. He is the only stable man in this entire series. The emotional support valve.